AKASO Dual Dash Cam S6 captures more details in day and night. It is the newest series of AKASO dash camera, which is independently designed and developed by AKASO. 6G nano coating lens with front f1.8 and rear f2.0 aperture, dual 1080p dash cam for front and rear. Sony IMX323 sensor provides you top quality picture and excellent visual experience. You can set the car dash camera to record only front at 2K 2560*1440p 30fps or 1920*1080p 60fps image quality, showing more details for your driving recording. Super clear night vision captures more details at low light environment. Both front and rear cameras record at 1080p at 30fps. Front cam with f1.8 and rear cam with f2.0 large aperture. Simultaneously captures the road ahead and behind you to ensure your safe driving. The Sony IMX307 sensor provides improved image clarity with more natural details, richer tonal gradations and lower noise. The nano coating 6-glass fixed focus lens with infrared optical filter allows more clear and bright images. WDR improves the overall exposure to create a well-balanced image. It enables the dash camera to capture details clearly in both the poorly and strongly illuminated areas of the video. Built-in GPS tracker. Just install the GPS module on the windshield, then you can get the driving speed, location and driving route showing in video. These GPS data will be displayed on Google Maps via the phone app or AKASO player on computer. When reversing, the screen will automatically switch to the rear camera image. A guideline for parking makes the reversing more secure. 340 degrees greater and wider view could avoid video shooting blind area and provide you with a full coverage view. Easy to connect the car DVR with the phone app via its own Wi-Fi signal. You can easily access to the live view, playback, download and share the amazing HD video with your friends and family when paired with the AKASO car app. Parking monitor function will automatically activate the dash camera and record a 30s video when it detects a sudden collision when parking. No extra hardwire kit required.